Ready to add another awesome marker to your collection? Today, we're hunting down the plaid marker in Find the Markers. First things first, spawn into Find the Markers and head towards the factory area. It's the large, industrial-looking building. You can't miss it. Once inside the factory, navigate your way to the back where you'll find a moving conveyor belt. Be careful, because this is where things get a little tricky. Time for some platforming. Hop onto the conveyor belt and ride it towards the wall. Watch out for any obstacles that might knock you off. Timing is key. Now, carefully jump off the conveyor belt onto the small ledge near the wall. It might take a few tries, so don't get discouraged. Follow this ledge around the corner until you see a dark opening or tunnel. This is where the plaid marker is hiding. Enter the tunnel, and you'll find the plaid marker waiting for you. Simply walk up to it to collect it. Congratulations, you found the plaid marker. Now you can show it off to all your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Find the Markers guides. Check out our other videos for even more marker locations. #ROBLOX markers #gaming guide.